The very first step is sterilizing the truck, bringing the raw material to the farm. Sanitizers are sprayed around the vehicle and tires are also sanitized while entering the premises. This is to maintain biosecurity and contamination-free environment.
The sterilized trucks move towards the apron. The raw material is unloaded in the warehouse.
The raw material is unloaded into feed conveyors, which fills the batching bins. The raw material batching bins release the material automatically as per preset feed formulation uploaded in the software. It is essential to ensure a balanced mix, providing the right nutrients for the hens. This stage lays the foundation for optimal hen health and productivity.
Now let's take you to the abode of hens where 6 lakh happy birds reside. But you have to be sterilized again. In this environment-controlled sheds for hens, everything is managed automatically through equipment and panel supplied by the Big Dutchman, Germany. Be it feed, temperature, oxygen and carbon dioxide levels, lights, or anything. It is ensured that our hens live stress-free life because it's our clear motto: healthy hen is happy hen.
The beauty of state-of-the-art system in our farm is that our eggs are collected from sheds without any human intervention. They are automatically transported from shed to egg store, where they are packed into trays and sold to market.
Now let's show you how our magic removes all 3 harmful effects of chicken manure, that is odor, hotness, and presence of weeds and pathogens in droppings. The first and foremost step is to remove droppings daily from the sheds with the help of conveyors. The conveyors automatically load the droppings into the vehicle standing at the loading point. This helps in maintaining cleanliness in the sheds and prevents accumulation of harmful gases beneath the heads.
The collected manure is taken to open ground and undergoes the process of sun drying. Natural sunlight is used to reduce moisture content and kill harmful pathogens. This eco-friendly method helps preparing the manure for further processing.
After sun drying, the manure is stilled by tractors with tillers to break it down and ensure a consistent texture. This step helps with the composting process by increasing airflow and mixing the material. Once stilled, the manure is sterilized by raising temperature to remove any remaining unwanted pathogens, harmful bacteria, ensuring a safe and high-quality base for composting. This helps in preventing any fungal and weed attacks originated through hen manure.
After the process of tilling, the manure is then shifted from open fields to sheds through cranes. To enhance the composting process, we add a set of consortiums with beneficial microorganisms. They play a vital role in breaking down the organic matter and turning it into nutrient-rich compost.
With the consortium added, the composting process begins. Koshin Engineering Company is one of the leading companies in the world of composting technology. With this Japanese technology and equipment, we ensure that water is being sprinkled and air supply is maintained throughout the process as and when required. This helps to convert all 17 micro and macronutrients into ionized form that can be directly uptaken by the roots. The microorganisms present in our consortium helps in maintaining neutral pH and improves soil texture and increases water retention capacity. Our compost is fully sterilized, free from any kind of heavy metals, and shows instant results by enhancing yield of plants.
Aerobic decomposition is the key, allowing for efficient and proper breakdown of the manure. During the process, excess methane and ammonia are efficiently removed from the manure. Once the composting process is complete, the finished product is carefully packed and loaded into trucks for dispatch. Each bag is meticulously inspected to ensure the highest quality.
And there you have it, from chicken droppings to nutrient-rich compost, ready to nourish your fields and gardens. Thank you.